Scotty, are you having not fun right now?
Yeah, I'm not having any fun. Every bolt has been put on with pneumatic pressure beyond anything I've ever seen.
So you're saying someone went Uggy Duggy nuts when they put this together? Oh my God! You're gonna break my nice snappy. Oh God! Maybe I shouldn't film this because then when you break it, I can't warranty it. Oh, I don't care. They better warranty it. Dude, the bolt's not moving. Yeah. Okay, stop.
I've already sliced my arm twice.
You just want to be all bleeding on shit. So every bolt on here,
It's been
rusty crusty.
Yep.
Or just, well, I guess maybe we can put a little heat. Can we put a little heat on the subject here?
We may have to.
This is ridiculous.
I mean, every single bolt I've tried to turn, it took me 45 minutes to get these two free enough to do the belt.
Oh my God.
I mean, this is just an absolute nightmare.
Yeah. This is called when people that don't know what they're doing worked on it, or it just hasn't been touched in so long. It's one or the other. Oh, look, that one actually turned. Okay, you could probably do that one by hand without the pipe.
We hope.
That sounds like a Burnsy. It's a Burnsy! Ugh. That rev was perfectly timed, by the way. Wow. This is... Now we know what Scotty sounds like in the bedroom, by the way. Yeah. Morning, Burnsy!
Morning!
Dude, this is gonna take forever.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. Forever, ever?
Well, you got here at 6:30.
Uh-huh.
It started pretty much damn near immediately. I got 2 bolts undone for here.
Yeah.
Which you helped me get the one. Great, not a problem. I still can't get this one to turn. I mean, we're talking even with a breaker bar. I can't get it to
he's got the
I'm going
pipe.
to snap this in half.
Yeah, the ratchet's moving and the socket isn't. That's on there. Rusty, crusty, ain't been touched in who knows.
Yeah.
I remember last time I seen a Goodyear Matchmaker belt, by the way. I don't know if we can get those anymore.
I just realized that. I forgot Goodyear made belt. It's been so long since I've seen one.
The only belt they made that was worth a shit was their serpentines, the Gatorbacks.
Oh, I loved the Gator bots.
They
It's
still
all
make
I
them.
Oh, good.
The one on the race car is a Gatorback. He's a muscle.
Continental Elite.
Continentals.
Yeah, Continental's a really good belt.
Yeah.
It's all I have on all my Euro cars.
That's a Matchmaker. Apparently Continental outdid Cold Beer, Goodyear, Bad Year.
Cold beer, what? You said beer. I'm listening.
Cold Beer? Who? It's too early for that.
Right about now, no, it's not.
Uh-oh.
This has not been a good morning.
All right. Well,
But,
I'm glad we're having not much fun.
yeah. Yay.
Memory.
Right?
All right. Well, we'll carry on.
My wayward son.
There'll be peace when you are done.
Oh, don't.
Come on, do the next verse.
Please
Do
don't
the
give
next
up your day
verse.
job.
Who sings that, bro?
Oh, God. I fail at trivia. It's too early for this.
Well, for sure.
Not
Leave
me.
it to them.
Jesus.
Good morning.
Wow. Zing. All right, so Scotty's going to carry on this. He's just getting the accessories and such off so we can then pull this to
look,
reseal.
I beat on this so hard, I've made it magnetic. See if you can get that.
Yes. Hey, Scotty. I know something else you beat on so hard you made it magnetic. Or that's just sticky, huh?
That's sticky.
Oh, it's early, but... What was that? Oh, Scotty's phone. Anywho, all right. Carry on. All right, I had to come back.
That's how bad.
That's the Rusty Crusty we are talking about, boys and girls. Wow.
And then people wonder why it takes...
Yeah. Why is this so much? Why does it take so long? Well, when things were not taken care of in the
Hold
past.
on, I gotta go down on a bolt.
What was his name? Bernsey, is this too much for you this morning?
There you go.
There. Okay, so this is...
Oh, wow.
That will prove... Hold it still. Wow. Ah! Wow. Just wow, boy.
Now let's see. Now, is the grinder and wire wheel plugged in?
No, but don't make a mess back there on my table because I have assemblies going on back there.
Make a mess. Probably deserves it. Did you come here during the weekend?
No.
Who brought the radiator down? Because I put that radiator up on the top shelf.
I wasn't here all weekend. Scotty, you can beat me.
You did not just tell me to not make a mess.
Well, I'm building wiring harnesses on the table right
But
now.
you did not just tell me.
No, because you'll actually clean it up. Because you're good at that.
I'm not.
Yes, I am.
Ew. And with that, boys and girls, I'm going to cut.